Samsung is gearing up for the much-anticipated launch of its flagship phone, the Galaxy S24, expected in January. Ahead of the official release, numerous leaks and rumors have revealed details about the phone's features. The Galaxy S24 Ultra has recently passed safety certification from the Korea Testing and Research Institute, a crucial step for devices to be sold in South Korea, marked by the KC symbol. A certified device with model number SMS928N was manufactured at Samsung's Gumi plant in Gyeongbuk and the Thiem Nguyen plant in Vietnam. In addition to the phone, the S Pen accessory for the Galaxy S24 Ultra, identified as model number EJP-S928, received approval from the National Radio Research Institute last month. The phone also obtained clearance from the Brazilian certification agency Anatel on October 24th, responsible for certifying smartphones and other mobile devices in Brazil. Samsung is actively securing names for future devices, including the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy S25, even those slated for release in approximately 2 years. The company is also in the process of trademarking names for devices set to launch shortly. Confirming earlier reports, Samsung is placing a strong emphasis on artificial intelligence, AI, in its upcoming flagship phone, as seen in the introduction of the Galaxy Eye experience. This feature, expected to be included in the Galaxy S24 series, will bring various AI capabilities. The Galaxy Club, a Dutch website, discovered applications in various countries indicating that the Galaxy S24 will be marketed as an AI phone. Samsung has even registered trademarks for names like A phone and A smartphone, underscoring their commitment to AI integration. The company is also seeking trademarks for products related to augmented reality glasses, TVs, smartphone screens, etc., with names like Magic Pixel, Flex Magic, and Flex Magic Pixel. While indicative of a significant focus on AI, it remains uncertain whether Samsung will successfully secure these trademarks, as they may appear somewhat restrictive. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.